Hi everyone, my name is Javin and I'm from BSIHM.
As we had last seen in the Philippines, the Japanese forces had suffered a tremendous defeat in the month of February. Discouraged and battle-weary, the invaders' advance had been stopped by the resilient American defenders at the Irian Bagat line. Diseases like malaria and dysentery, alongside starvation, weakened both sides in the Philippines, but they took a heavy toll on the Japanese in particular. But not everyone died from disease. By the end of February, some units had been surrounded in pockets, others had been held by the tenacious defenders, and 2 entire battalions had been destroyed at the Battle of the Points.
The story of Bataan is one of the darkest yet most defining chapter in Philippine history. In a legacy of heroes, we are taken back to the year 1942 when the fate of the nation hung by a thread and the courage of its defenders illuminated even the blackest night of war. As World War II raged across the Pacific, the Japanese Imperial Army launched its invasion of the Philippines. Outnumbered and outgunned, the combined force of Filipino and American soldiers made their stand on the rugged peninsula of Bataan. For 3 grueling months, they held the line against overwhelming odds, their determination stronger than their hunger, their faith brighter than the fire raining down upon them. They fought in jungles and trenches, living on half ration, then on none at all. Disease and starvation became as deadly as bullets. Yet still, they refused to surrender. They fought not merely for victory, but for the hope the freedom would one day return to their homeland.
The word had gotten around about the Death March, the forced march of the American prisoners by the Japanese, which caused many to die. These were the troops the general had in mind when he returned to the Philippines.
When Bataan finally fell on April 9, 1942, the world mourned, but the soldiers' valor had not been in vain. Their stand delayed the enemy long enough for Allied forces to regroup. Their defiance inspired a nation to rise from the ashes. The aftermath was horrific. The infamous Bataan Death March, where tens of thousands of exhausted prisoners were forced to walk over 100 kilometers, even the blazing sun. Beaten and starved along the way, many never made it to the camps. Yet even in death, their sacrifice became immortal. A legacy of heroes reminds us that Bataan fall was not a symbol of defeat. It was a testament to resilience and proof that courage can bloom even in despair. The soldiers of Bataan stood as one, Filipino and American, their friendship sealed in shared blood and tears. They fought, they fell, and they became the foundation upon which the Philippines reclaimed its freedom. Their story continues to echo today as a reminder that liberty once won must forever be recherished and defended.
Surrounded by historical myth. For too long, so many have tainted these bastions of freedom with notions of defeat. Others insist that those battles were all part of a war we shouldn't have fought. But the fact is that thousands of Filipinos, rich and poor, fought side by side against incredible odds in defense of our country.